Guys, I'm back. This is day 2. I cut off yesterday, yes, because it started sprinkling. Well, almost as soon as I got the camera and everything in the house, it stopped. It's Florida, it's afternoon, it does that. Okay, so I went ahead and continued doing what I was doing yesterday and finished up the one bag that I had here. I didn't touch the other bag that had all the, that was in the garbage bag. I did everything else that was in the mesh bag. And here, you can see everything that I've got laid out here. Now, this has not been 24 hours since I finished up, okay? And there's still some pieces that are damp because I've got to flip them over. But this gives you an idea. Yeah, even this one, once you start tugging it apart, you're getting damp spots. But as you can see, remember I said this method does not mat it? This is just from where it's been washed. And you can see how I'm pulling this apart. It's just coming apart like there's no tomorrow. And see, this area right in here is damp. But there's other areas that I'm pulling, like what I've got in my right hand here, what I've dropped too. Sorry. This is all dry. And as soon as you start pulling it apart, you can see where you've got some yellowing in the tips. But as soon as you start pulling it apart, you're not seeing that yellowing in the tips because it's blending so well with the white underneath. And you end up with a pretty cream color. A light cream. It just blends. And you can see how white and fluffy that is. So, yeah, this works quite well. And remember, this was the crappy fleece. And you see how well this turned out. So, and see, even now, I'm picking out crap from, but what I'm picking out is fiber, you know, stick, leaves, things of that, not the urine, not the fecal matter. That's what I'm picking out. This is just when you get ready to pick it, put it through the carder or put it on cones, it's just coming apart so nicely. You can't beat this method. And you see how quickly this is done and how much I have sitting there compared to what you would have if you had been doing it using soap and water. Now I will refilm some more of this, getting up close, and that's going to involve bringing my daughter out and putting her behind the camera so we can move it around and you can see what's going on. But it's that quick. And here on a day like today, it's what, 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning in Florida, and I'm in the Panhandle, so I'm not in Central Time. I'm in Central Time, not Eastern Time. Now I gotta work the next 2 days, so I'm not gonna be able to get to this again until what? Today's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, and then I will come back and I will show you after 2 days in the sun. It's gonna be a little crispy. It's gonna feel crispy, but it's gonna be dry, very, very dry. All of it. And see, that's all I gotta do. is you've got sections that are clumping that you don't think are going to get dry quickly. Pull it apart. This does not stick. Now, if you start pulling it apart in small bits like this, recommendation to keep it from flying away if you got winds is put something over it, a net. Look at that. Now this is a different fleece. This was something else that I had gotten, and this is white. And I don't remember where this came from. Some of these fleeces I've had for years, and this one's just, it's white. This is almost optic white compared to this here. So, pull it apart. Open it up a little.